CoinGate family. Today I'm going to tell you about the top crypto pre-sales for July 2025. 3 projects that are not only trending but could be a game changer in the crypto space. Each has unique features and a clear roadmap that make them stand out from the crowd. Let's dive in. First is Solaxi, the king of layer 2 scaling. Solaxi is a cutting-edge layer 2 solution built to solve critical problems in the Solana ecosystem, like failed transactions and network congestion. By batching transactions off-chain, Solaxi makes transactions faster, more reliable, even during periods of high network activity. Its integration with Hyperlane allows easy transfer between Solana and Ethereum, which is a huge advantage for DeFi and dApps developers who need cross-chain compatibility. Key features of Solaxi are batches transactions to improve speed and scalability, reduces congestion on the Solana network, integrates Hyperlane for simple Solana Ethereum transfer, offers high APYs on staking, though these rates could be unstable over time. Note: the theme behind Solaxi has not been publicly identified yet and the mainnet adoption is still untested. Then, how to buy Solaxi tokens? Download a crypto wallet like Trust Wallet or Best Wallet, visit Solaxi's official website and connect your wallet. Choose your payment method, ETH, USDT, BNB or Fiat, and enter how many Solax tokens you want. Confirm your transaction and optionally stake your tokens for rewards. Second is Nextchain, the ultimate AI plus blockchain combination. Nextchain is a layer 1 blockchain that merges artificial intelligence with blockchain to offer ultra-fast, secure and scalable networks. Nextchain supports up to 4 lakh transactions per second with negligible fees of just $0.001 per transaction. It uses a hybrid proof-of-stake consensus for enhanced security and energy efficiency. Nextchain's AI-driven optimization helps identify and prevent potential security threats, making the network safer for developers and users. Key features of Nextchain are hybrid proof-of-stake consensus for security and stability, AI-powered optimization to detect and prevent attacks, smart contract audits for reliable development, extremely fast transactions with minimal fees, clear and structured roadmap for long-term growth. Nextchain's 5-phase roadmap. Phase 1, token sale and initial network setup. Phase 2, mainnet launch with AI-driven optimization. Phase 3, scalability enhancement and ecosystem expansion. Phase 4, governance integration for community decision making. Phase 5, long-term optimization, partnerships and mass adoption. Now it comes how to buy Nextchain token. Download a trusted crypto wallet like Trust Wallet or Best Wallet. Set up your wallet with a strong password and backup phrase. Buy Ethereum on an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Transfer ETH from the exchange to your wallet address. Visit Nextchain's official website during the pre-sale and connect your wallet. Enter the amount of ETH you want to exchange for Nextchain tokens. Confirm the transaction and wait for your token to appear in your wallet. And yes, follow Nextchain's social media platforms on X, Instagram and Telegram for project updates. Third is NeoPepe Coin, the community-driven meme revolution. NeoPepe Coin is a meme-inspired cryptocurrency built on Ethereum that focuses on decentralization and community engagement. It features a unique 16-stage pre-sale starting at $0.05 and gradually increasing to $0.16, encouraging early investors. Its auto liquidity mechanism adds 2.5% of every transaction to liquidity pools automatically, improving market stability and helping sustain a healthy trading environment. The project also has completed a CertiK audit with a score of 71.96, which demonstrates its commitment to security. Key features of NeoPepe Coin. Community-driven governance, where token holders can vote on future exchange listings. Structure 16-stage pre-sale that rewards early participants with lower prices. Auto liquidity feature that adds 2.5% of every transaction to liquidity pools. CertiK audit completed with a score of 71.96, adding credibility and trust. How to buy NeoPepe Coin? Download Trust Wallet or another Ethereum compatible wallet. Set up your wallet securely. Buy ETH on an exchange like Binance or Coinbase and transfer it to your wallet. Visit NeoPepe Coin's official website and connect your wallet. Follow the website's instruction to purchase Neo tokens with ETH. After your purchase, you can participate in the community by voting on important decisions like exchange listing. At last, I want to say they are the top crypto pre-sales for July 2025. Solexi for solving real scalability issue with layer 2 technology. Nextchain for bringing AI-powered optimization and lightning fast speed to blockchain. NeoPepe Coin for a meme-inspired community-driven projects with strong tokenomics. Each project has unique potential, but always do your own research before investing. And stay updated with CoinGave for more on the best opportunities in cryptocurrency. For more insights of crypto pre-sales of 2025, just tap on the link mentioned in the description.